Every time local businesses miss calls, they're losing money. And if you've got a phone and 20 minutes a day, you can get paid $297 a month to fix that using AI. And believe it or not, you don't need any experience, any tech skills, or even a website. This is the exact business model that I use to profit every single day from home without spending 8 hours at a desk, begging for clients, or running Facebook ads. And the best part, hundreds of other beginners are doing the exact same thing. Many of them are starting with zero background, just like I did. And trust me, I'm not here to pitch you some $2,000 coaching program or have a flashy course. In fact, I'm going to give you everything. My scripts, my templates, my full step-by-step course completely free. All I ask is that you like this video, you share it with a friend, and you comment below free course, and I'll send it right over to you. No upsells, no fluff, just real tools to help you finally build a business that fits your life without all the chaos. Because I know what it feels like to feel stuck trying side hustle after side hustle and still feeling broke, still stressed, and still wondering if there's anything out there that actually works. Trust me, this works. Let me show you how. Let's go. All right, so the first step is understanding this business model. So we're gonna find local businesses that need our help, that are missing a bunch of calls, and believe it or not, 62% of local businesses miss calls on a daily basis. We're gonna offer a simple automated system to help them actually text those customers that they're missing the calls from, and then we're gonna get paid anywhere from $300 to $500 per month on autopilot, setting up the simple software that automates everything for them, and they stop them from missing calls and stop them from losing revenue. So I don't know about you, but when I'm looking for a local business to help with my plumbing, electric work, HVAC, garage door, whatever it may be, I'll go to Google Maps, I'll search for that local service, I'll call them up. If they don't answer and I get to the voicemail, I'll hang up and I'll move right to the next person. That's exactly what you're going to help solve for these local businesses. Instead of their customers hanging up and going to the next business, you're going to set up a simple automation that helps text that customer, gets the conversation going, auto replies to them, and gets them saved as a customer, books them on the calendar, and makes them more money. And of course, it's always good to show some proof. So here's a Stripe account. Here's my Business Savvy Systems AI. You can see the payouts that are coming in using this exact system. So again, setting up this AI system, you're not only going to save them a bunch of time, but you're also going to make them more money. So they're going to happily pay you month after month. So let's do some simple math. Say you get 3 clients at $300 per month. That's around $900 per month in recurring revenue that you can earn. Again, set it and forget it. It comes in every single month. Say you scale it to 5 clients at around $500 per month. Now you're looking at over $2,000 per month that you could potentially earn in recurring revenue. And the best part of this is it's super sticky. These customers are going to stay on forever because they're solving a huge problem within their business. They're using the automated system and they're not going to want it to go away because they're going to be saving time and making more money. That's why I've totally shifted my focus within our business to go all in on selling AI to local businesses. The opportunity is incredible. All right, now let's go over how this system actually works. Step 1 is going to be going over to Google Maps. This is going to be your best friend in finding and identifying these businesses that need your help. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is go over to Google Maps and search a local business in your area. We live in upstate New York, so I'm using Albany as an example, but you can search for companies like HVAC companies, electricians, chiropractors, roofers, contractors, plumbers, whatever you have in mind, you can search them and I'll show you how to go about finding them. So, all right, so after you search for it, you're going to scroll past any of the listings at the top. Most of the time they pay for those ads. They'll say ad next to it. And you're looking for companies that have a low amount of reviews, or even better, they don't have a website. So this one, Capital District Electric, it only has 12 reviews, 4.7, not bad. I'm going to look at their website. You can tell if they have a decent website that they probably have a bunch of systems in place. But if they don't have a website, this is a really good sign to offer this service to them. So I can tell just by scrolling and from experience that this is not the greatest website. There's no real way to contact them or have a chat bot. So this is definitely a company that I would write down or put in an Excel sheet to potentially reach out to. Also, I have another video on how to sell AI websites to local businesses. You can check that one out after this video. So that's going to be the first one, and I'm going to keep scrolling. I'm looking for one that does not have a website. So this Henson Electric company, they do not have a phone number or anything. So I'm going to totally bypass them. They have no reviews. So that's kind of probably going to be a waste of your time. Stone Electric, no website. This is probably a great company to reach out to. So I'm going to write them down. Fine Electric, Sauer and Son Electric, RK Kenneth, Luther Electric Pros. So I just found 5 or 6 in a matter of a minute. So you guys can definitely check out Albany, New York. There's a bunch of electricians that need your help. So I'm going to use Stone Electric as my example. There's no website. So now I've identified them. I put them in a Google Sheet, or I've written them down. What's the next step? All right. So the next step is actually going to be reaching out to these companies to let them know that you can help them with their problem. Now, I know a lot of people hate cold calling and it's super nerve-wracking to do. So you can skip over that and go to text scripts or cold email script if you'd like. But obviously cold calling on the phone is going to be the easiest to do. And trust me, over time, when you get your experience and you get kind of confidence in doing this, it becomes so much much more easy. So let's go over some of these examples. And again, these will be offered in my free course. Just comment free course below. I'm going to give you all my scripts and templates to use. So it's going to be, hey, and this is going to be Stone Electric. I noticed you might be missing a few calls from potential customers. No big deal. It happens to most businesses. So you're empathetic, you're understanding. And again, these local businesses, they're on the job. They're, doing electric work. They're on the roof hammering nails. They have a hard time answering the phone. It's probably one of their biggest pain points. And that's why this is so important to implement for them, and just a huge opportunity. This is probably one you called and they didn't answer, so you're going to leave a voicemail. I help local businesses like yours turn missed calls into booked appointments using AI, and it only takes less than 10 minutes to set up. If you'd like, I can show you how much revenue you are losing each week and how I'd fix it with a free walkthrough. You can text me back at this number or give me a call. No pressure, just trying to help a local business like yours keep more customers. Or a cold text, how many missed calls do you think you're missing each week? And then most clients are losing 3,000 to 5,000, only takes 10 minutes to set up. And then here's an email. You're hitting the pain point in the email. Our missed calls costing you money. First name, local businesses miss around 62% of calls, costing 1,000 leads per month. I can fix that. And then you can also do, here's a bonus Instagram one too. Again, I will give you this entire script. So after you get the conversation going with this business owner, you let them know who you are, what you do, and that you don't want to waste a lot of their time. You can simply use this calculator to help figure out how much money they're losing each month. So the average customer value, let's say it's an HVAC company, they fix furnaces and HVAC units. I'm saying on a very conservative level, $500 for kind of repairs and maintenance. But if you're installing these, it's going to be $5,000 or more. Let's say they miss about 2 calls a week. So 7 times 2 is going to be 14. So let's just say around 20 calls per month. And their close rate is how much if they get on the phone, how many they can actually close. We'll say about 50%. So let's calculate the lost revenue. So around $5,000 per month, they are losing from 10 customers, and we charge only $197. This is now $297. So they're getting a massive return on their investment. So again, you can use a missed call text back calculator to talk to them in real time to figure out how much money they're actually leaving on the table by missing these calls. This is really going to shift their perspective on missing these calls and understanding that this is a serious problem within their business, and how this is just a no-brainer opportunity for them to sign up for and get set up within their business. All right, so the next step after you have a business owner hook, line, and sinker, they want this service, is going to be opening up this simple software where you're going to basically link their Google My Business profile, any accounts they have, and then head over to settings. So you're going to go over to phone systems, voice, missed call text back, and you're basically going to enable missed call text back, and it's going to be, hey, this is Stone Electric. I saw you missed your call. How can I help? So this simple text, this simple system is going to make sure that this customer does not get lost by this business owner. Make sure that they don't just hang up and go to the next one down the line on Google Maps, and that they actually stick with this business owner. So the nice thing about this missed call text back system is as soon as a customer applies, it's going to get sent into the conversations tab. And this is going to be an all-in-one inbox for the business owner that not only collects anything from Facebook, Instagram, text messages, but also email and WhatsApp in an all-in-one unified inbox, which is a huge time saver for these business owners. So now on top of setting up this missed call text back system, now we're offering this business owner an all-in-one inbox. And then on top of that, you can also offer some AI solutions so the AI actually gets trained on this local business and they can communicate with the customers and book them on the calendar automatically. And that's when you can actually upsell and charge even more. So I'm gonna quickly show you how that would look and how you would set that up. So you're gonna click on AI agent, and then at the top, conversation AI. And this is where your list of AI agents are. And you can go ahead and click a new bot. And you're going to simply walk through the steps and fill in the information for this business. So if they have a website, their Google My Business profile, and fill in all their information, the services they have, the hours they work, phone number, all that stuff. And you're going to train this AI conversation bot to auto respond to SMS messages, live chat, Instagram, and you're going to make it live on their support. Once you create it, you can actually go in and test it out for the business owner and make sure that it's aligned with what their business is all about. So inside the bot settings, you can have it reply on autopilot after it's trained and ready to roll, or you can turn it off completely. Again, you can pick what channels you want it to be responding to. Inside the bot training is going to be where you can actually have your existing knowledge base. So again, it's going to crawl the website, their FAQs, all that stuff, and you can go back and forth and say, hey, I am looking to get a service done. Just a simple example. The AI bot's going to think about it and then respond promptly. So again, this can be text messages, Facebook messages, Instagram messages. The AI bot can auto respond for you. Great, you're looking into a service. What kind of service are you interested in? I can help. You can also set up the bot goals. So if you want them to schedule an appointment, just collect their lead, their name, their email address, all that stuff, and you can simply and easily select which one of these that's going to happen. Auto follow-up, all that stuff. And then they also have a dashboard for that. So now imagine being able to offer this local business a way that they can never miss another call and lose those leads and lose that revenue. It puts them in an all-in-one inbox, and it has AI responding to the customers, booking them on the calendar, or at least collecting the leads so they can follow up later on. This is an absolutely incredible system that business owners will literally drool over and throw money at you to set up within their business because, again, it saves them time and makes them more money. And again, like I showed you on the simple software, it is super simple to set up. You don't need any experience, any tech skills, any background knowledge. I'm literally the worst tech savvy person in the world, and if I can do it, you absolutely can too. So obviously Google Maps is going to be one of the easiest ways to find these local businesses and that need your help and want this system set up. It's literally a honey hole to find these businesses. But another way that I found a lot of traction in is these local Facebook groups. So searching in your local area for, residents of Albany, residents of whatever town you are in, and there's going to be tons of service providers that you will see in there. You can literally type in plumber, electrician in the search bar, and you can quickly see who's actually coming up and responding to these requests on finding, a recommended plumber, electrician. You can look up their business, you can DM them on Facebook and use the scripts that I mentioned, or use ChatGPT to come up with your own. And again, the lead loss calculator is going to be huge for you to get on the phone with these clients and kind of calculate in real time how much money they're actually losing from their business to have them have a really big epiphany that they need this service. And that's exactly how you can start selling AI to local businesses without a website, without any tech skills, and without spending a dime on ads. And if you want my full step-by-step course, my templates, my scripts, and even my plug-and-play website that you can use today, just like the video, comment free course, and I'll make sure to send it over to you 100% for free. And again, this is just the beginning. Make sure you watch my next video so you can learn how to really scale up this incredible online business. Thanks for watching. God bless.